He was aiming a gun against me. He was aiming a gun at me. Aim something at somebody or aim something at something is the correct usage. The ship drowned in the ocean. The ship sank in the ocean. The word drown is used for living things. Sink means go down to the bottom of the water. I have enclosed a check of $50. I have enclosed a check for $50. A check for an amount of money is correct. The principal along with all the teachers are present. The principal along with all the teachers is present. Here, the real subject is the principal. It is singular. So, singular verb must be used. Neither of the two books are available. Neither of the two books is available. Neither of always takes singular verb.